Happy Friday, everybody. This is Drew with Trailers for Less at the Noonan location. Today we're going to take a look at a 7x20 7-ton LoadTrail equipment trailer. This is probably one of our best sellers that we keep in stock, along with the PJ, of course. So we're just going to take a look at it today, do a quick walkthrough, show you the features that it has and some of the capabilities, and we'll get on to our weekend. So let's get into it. And this is her right here. She's 7 foot wide. She's 83 inches between the fenders and 20 foot long. It's an 18 foot of bed and a 2 foot dovetail. You can see how it drops down there in the back, and that's just so the incline to pull your Bobcat equipment trailer up on it. You don't have a high incline. And like I said, the main uses for this trailer would be a Bobcat, heavy equipment, skid steer, anything of that nature would be perfect for this trailer. It's got two 7,000-pound axles underneath it, so it's considered a 7-ton trailer, 14,000 pounds total. So the trailer's rated to haul about 10.5 of safe weight. So we'll walk back here to the back, and we'll start with these heavy-duty fold-up ramps. These are 6-foot fold-up ramps. They're extremely heavy-duty. They're awesome. They're spring-assisted. They have the dual spring set up in the back, because these are very, very heavy ramps, but with this spring setup, they are extremely easy and lightweight to lower and raise, so it doesn't put a strain on your back if you're having to unload and load equipment multiple types a day. Of course, as always on all of our trailers, LED tail lights, marker lights, the whole 9 yards. These ramps are removable, so if you don't need the ramps, you can actually unbolt, slide the rails out, and you can take the ramps off. To do that as well. You have your bar clip, or your clips for the bar on the side to let your ramps down, 2 pins on this side, of course 2 pins on the other side. You have rub rails down the whole length of the trailer on both sides. You have five on each side, and then you also have 6 D-rings. You got 2 in the back, 2 in the middle right there in front of the fenders, and then 2 up front. And either the D-rings or the rub rail, you can tie down your straps, your ratchets, whatever you have to tie your equipment down will fit on there as well. The fenders, they have the nice ATP steel fenders, the tread plated. They are removable, so you can remove them. And this is what they call the blackout package, which what that gives you, of course, you have the nice black wheels on it, and it also gives you, it upgrades the jack, and we'll get into that when we get up front. Like I said earlier, you have 2 7K axles. You've got 2 35, 80 R16 tire and wheel assemblies. They are radials. They're 8 lug, and all 8 lug bolt patterns are the same. And so we'll go up here to the front of the trailer. Of course, you got treated floor on it as well. And what I was telling you about the jack, most equipment trailers will come standard with like an 8K or 7K, just top line crank jack. This has your spring-loaded dual speed jack, which is a lot more convenient, a lot easier on you to jack on and off the trailer. So it's a good feature that it comes with. Of course, you have brakes in all 4 wheels with this trailer, as DOT requires it here in the state of Georgia. You've got your breakaway switch and battery. You've got a 2 5/16 adjustable coupler. You've got your 7-pin plug, which is a molded cable, which is very nice. LoadTrail always has molded cable, which is very nice. It keeps the wiring out of the weather. And so yeah, I mean that's the gist of this trailer. Very, very good quality, well-built trailer. LoadTrail has been in business for a long time. We've carried them for a long time. One of my favorite companies. Them and PJ are our top dogs here at the store, and they're both just phenomenal trailers. And we carry these, and we can get them in a 16, but usually 18 foot is as short as we stock. We carry them 18, 20, 22 foot is the most common 3 sizes that we sell these in the bumper pull. But we also carry them in all sorts of colors. And I forgot to mention that it is powder coated. It's sandblasted, acid washed, and powder coated. So a phenomenal paint job on this thing to keep it from rusting. And yeah, so we keep them in red, cat yellow, John Deere green, white, blue even sometimes. But if we don't have them in stock, we can order them however color you want. So yeah, and that's the wrap up for the 7x20 7-ton LoadTrail. We've got them here in stock at the Noonan location. 1137 Highway 16 East in Noonan, Georgia. Of course, just ask for Drew at this location. And we also have these at my Fayetteville store, 143 Price Road, Fayetteville, Georgia, 30215. And you'll want to ask for Scotty at the Fayetteville location. So that's a wrap for today, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you have an amazing weekend. Be safe, and then we'll see you next week.